Pinelli Bluffs RV Park camping, and I'm gonna go pedaling. And I'm telling you, there is some great trails out here. If you've never been here, you gotta come and visit. Good morning. Go. Lots of bike riders here at Pinelli Bluffs. Morning. Morning. You know, it's funny, back in the day, people called cheater bikes with gears. Now look at us. Oh, well, good morning. This is the last day. We are getting ready to pull on out of here and work. and get going on the same routine. Same routine's not bad. Being a bike mechanic, get to go out and do what I love. So anyway, we got the stinky slinky gotta take care of here pretty soon, and that's always a fun ordeal. Flush out the toilets and unhook the water, and we will be just about on the road. Take the dog for a little poop walk, and hour and a half home, not bad. Then unload, and of course, look who's looking out the door waiting for his walk. Little Cooper. He's our camping buddy. All right, till next time, have a great day. Oh yeah, we got thunder and lightning last night, which was great for Southern California. We need it so bad. Take care.